I am so happy the house is all done. I get to look at myself in the mirror, get ready.
Yeah, it's so nice to have a finished laundry room to be able to do laundry in. Hey babe, can you make breakfast?
Yeah, I got it. Want your egg scrambled? Get some eggs. Got that. We cook and we little beat it up in here.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are in our new laundry room at the Flip House. This was literally a closet before. We built it up into a laundry room and we're going to be doing like a 2 or 3 day makeover on it, and it's going to look awesome. But what's cool about it, Ryan?
There's a surprise. There's a special unit that's such a small laundry room. It's going to be one single unit and you have to wait to see.
Yeah, we wanted to save space. We found this really cool washer dryer thing, so stay tuned for the rest of the video to see it.
What you used to always say on your YouTube videos?
Shut up.
No, it wasn't that. It was something else. I think so, yeah.
Yeah, and then I would do Disney vlog.
She was always like, so yeah. It's a easy bit to use for you. You won't strip it. Yeah, it's really hard to strip these, so if you do, it's gonna be impressive.
I literally have no idea what I'm doing, what you're having me do.
What do you mean?
So I'm just screwing it. Oh, we're doing it right now?
What else are we doing?
Oh, I don't know. I just thought you were like marking where it goes first. I have to get glasses.
Can you grab me some too? Thanks, sweetie. Let me get it up to the wall first. If you just screw the top 2 in, I'll get out of the way. Okay. How about that? Does that feel like it's hitting something?
Seems like it.
Alright, now do the left corner. Now it's good, so I can take it from here.
Okay. Yep. There you go.
It's toasty in here.
Yeah.
I guess I don't need the impact.
Oh,
I was reaching for it.
Oh, sorry.
Wow, Kels. You really went to the corner.
Yeah.
Yep, that one definitely. Alright.
You got it?
Yep.
Nice. Do the little dad shake.
So all you're gonna do here is same thing in the corner, but don't like hug it, just go at a little angle. Or if you just do exactly what you did last time, I'll just fix your mistakes like usual. Alright, yeah, go ahead and screw the top in.
So you just hit right on this line.
Yep. Any day now though, because I am hurting down here. Adjust these over left. Left. Nice. And there she is. You like it?
Yeah.
Better. There's no choice. Alright, so we just got these cabinets installed. Those worked out perfectly. So now what we want is some kind of shelving here. So we're going to put these 2 brackets, maybe 2 different.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're 2 shelves here. Put some brackets, and we got some butcher block as the shelving, so it should look pretty nice. Ooh, nice. Both of them are 18 and 8. 9 and 18. Alright, so this is the butcher block. Very expensive, so you don't want to mess this up. So measure twice, cut once. Or don't do what Kelsey does.
Measure like 4 times.
Or Kelsey cuts, measures once, cuts like 3 or 4 times. So.
Yeah, I just cut off a little bit at a time so I don't overcut it.
Can't do that with butcher block.
But these are for
sorry.
Yeah, Ryan didn't finish explaining. So the butcher block is going to be not only for the countertop of the lower cabinet we're doing, but it's going to be for the floating shelves as well. It's just like a nicer, thicker wood that's going to look nice for shelves.
Both of those fit.
Oh, you want your round back? Oh, and then you want to put it in there? Oh, you don't know what you
Alright. Yeah.
We should have had this shelf lower. Just like, cause like, you're gonna be like here and then like.
Yeah. What do you want to do about it? Repatch all those holes?
Yeah.
Do you? I mean, if that's what you want, we can move it lower. Is that better?
Yeah. And then put the other one up the 1/2 inch also. You know, like.
So this was like
No.
that. I and then so you put it like here.
Yeah.
That's where it would go.
Yeah.
But
much better.
You like that?
Yep.
Got it.
Alright, Brian finally got the other 2 shelves cut, so I'm going to be staining them to match the shelves that are in between the cabinets. These ones are a little bit bigger, but I think it's going to look really good.
So, while Kelsey stains all the shelves we need for up here and back in this cubby, I'm going to install the handles, and these are not too hard to install. All you have to do is find wherever you want. Make sure you find the center between the edge and this edge, and then just repeat the same exact pattern for the rest of them. So pretty simple. So I'll just install these in the meantime. So pro tip from a pro. So if you're doing something as like fragile as cabinets and you don't want the drill bit to walk on you while you start off, they have these what are these called again?
Centering bits.
Yeah, we have these centering bits that has a little sharp edge to where you put it exactly where you want, press in, and once you start drilling, it just goes, it doesn't walk all over the place on you. So this is good to use for when you're doing something as the cabinet doors.
You're so smart.
And also, you always want to check to see before you drill if you're not hitting a shelf or the bottom side of your cabinet. Done that before.
That is it for day 1. So tomorrow we will finish it up, but we kind of have a lot to do. We have to put on the door, the floors, the baseboards,
the cabinet,
the lower cabinet, and that countertop, and then actually put in the unit.
And
then
hook it all up plumbing wise as well.
All the touch-ups too. So we have a lot left to do, but I have faith we'll get it done. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Day 2 of working on the laundry room. Today we are going to be installing this beautiful flooring in here. I'm super excited. It has an attached underlayment on the back, so we don't need to add any additional. It's from Florit. And then we're going to put in the lower base cabinet, do some touch-up paint, baseboards, door, and then be done.
Quite a bit to do, huh?
Yeah, so
let's do it. Ready? I marked my spot.
Yeah.
Ow!
You're not gonna be able to do that.
Ow!
You're gonna have to cut them.
What's up, big girl? Because I have back issues.
Brian. Yeah, he's back issues and he does crap like this. Jeez.
There we go.
This is gonna look good. I love this flooring actually.
Me too. There we go. Man, Kels, when your husband's good, he is good.
Are you gonna tap it in?
I don't have to.
Oh.
It snapped. As soon as it falls, you know it's completely locked in.
Okay.
We're locked in here.
Y'all ready for this?
Y'all ready for this? Bam, 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 bam.
Yeah, literally.
All right. Trick. I got a trick up my sleeve. Come, I'll show you. All right, so
it's your art.
if you look back here, there is a vent sticking out for the dryer, but we got to cut a circle out for this cabinet to go in. So what we're going to do is put some paint all around the rim of this, like so. Looks about right. And then Kelsey, my lovely assistant, is going to push back. All right, make sure we twist it. All right, now pull back, Kelsey. All right, now we have a poor touching of this. Now we know where to. So you gave us somewhat of an outline from here to here. All I know is I have to drill that area.
Because we're not actually using this vent right now.
Yes.
We're installing a washer dryer in one unit that is ventless. And so this vent that we installed, we thought we were just going to put a normal washer dryer here, but we're putting that one.
Yeah,
That's
so
why it's going to be in a cabinet instead
I'm gonna
of
get the whole saw.
attached to a
Slice this
dryer.
boy up.
Good?
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
Time.
Yes. Whoa.
All right, no, we just lift up.
Oh.
Yeah. That's how the new packages be like these days. Your dad might want this watch. When he comes, I guarantee he's gonna be like, keep that box for me.
Oh, she's pretty.
Dang.
I mean, honestly, she's real pretty.
Nice.
So I think this is the dryer vent
Wow.
thing.
So none passes that? No other lint goes past that? You gotta...
Yeah.
Yeah, she's gonna snap
Yeah,
it.
there's no. Yeah,
Okay.
there's literally no vent. It's just the water line. Does anybody else think
Your hair's covered
this
in your face.
is satisfying? Taking off all the new plastic. Here, let me show you how.
No, don't do it. I've worked on this for too long. Get, go on, get.
Take
Haha,
off
look
the
at that,
yellow.
look at
Oh yeah. Wait, look
Ooh,
at this one. Oh, you
She's
got
sleek.
it? Oh,
Ooh.
look at that. This dumpster is coming in clutch. If you guys need a dumpster for any of your home projects, use dumpsters.com and use our code NEWBUILD20. It'll save you $20 off your rental.
All right, so right now I'm gonna measure and cut all the baseboard.
And then we need to also do the door,
Yes.
put the cabinet hardware on,
Machine in.
put the actual unit in, and then I'm going to like style it and decorate it, and we'll check back in with you guys once we do all of that.
Yes. All right, guys, laundry room is all done and we completed it in 2 days.
It looks so good, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. This is actually a really nice laundry room. We have the washer dryer combo, we have the countertop, a ton of storage in here with all of the cabinets, and then even this little like closet, laundry area here. And then the drying rack on the wall. Love how it turned out.
It did.
Let us know down in the comments what your guys' favorite part is, and be sure to stay tuned for our next video.